It's got to be a f***ing margarita, isn't it? Pardon me. And go. So when it comes to making non-alcoholic cocktails or free-spirited cocktails, the best cocktails to make are the ones that you already know and love. Let's start with the Spirit of Milano. With the Spirit of Milano, you can make it...
Get the hand off. Really aggressive.
With the Spirit of Milano, you can try this over a big ice cube with a twist of orange, or splash some soda in there or high-quality tonic for a spritz. With the Spirit of Bourbon, you can make a sour. A sour's made with maple syrup, lemon juice, bitters. Give that a shake, garnish with a lemon and a cherry, and you're done. Spirit of Gin. Make a gin and tonic with it. Always use high-quality tonic water and garnish with a fresh lime. Spirit of Tequila. It's got to be a margarita. Wrong camera. Spirit of Tequila. It's got to be a margarita, fresh lime juice and agave. If you can't be bothered with all of that, get yourself a quality mixer. The Spirit of Vermouth Rosso. Great over a single cube and a twist of orange, but try it in our Negroni. Equal parts gin, Milano, and sweet vermouth. So basically, we've made our spirits so you can control the amount of that you can handle. We've made our spirits so you can drink as many of your favorite cocktails as you like without falling down. Sorry, that was a lot of